Hello friends, welcome to the outro section of the video series on Firebase CRUD operation using Node.js and Express. So in this video series, we have created API endpoints to create document, get documents with where clause, update document and delete document. Here I want to mention two simple points. First, in case of production level application, you need to use pagination, and I hope if you are searching for that, you know more about these pagination and things, and you can obviously search for it as well. And in case of where clause, if you have more than one condition, let's say you have two conditions you want to fulfill, so either you provide one condition here and then the second condition is you use the second condition here on the for loop of the query snapshots, or you can create indexes and directly hit query on that indexes on Firebase. So you can read more about it here. Indexes, you can create index and you can have any kind of conditions there, and then you can directly call the index. And then you have update document and then delete document. A small note here again on the delete document. What I usually do is that when I create document, I use a flag is deleted. And when you actually delete the document, you actually don't delete the document, you just change the flag of is deleted to 1. So in that way, the document stays on the Firestore and you actually not delete it, but you in a way delete that as well. So on front end, you just have to make one more condition wherever you get the documents that is deleted equals to false or 0. So this is how you can create Firebase CRUD operation APIs using Node.js and Express. And I hope you have gained some knowledge throughout this video series. If you have any suggestion to better developing this kind of material, then please let me know. And if you feel that my material is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.